Hi guys, welcome to Nurture Tech Academy. My name is Lokesh and today we'll learn Sumif. Okay, before we'll start, let's try to understand the situation first. We have this small piece of data. It's an accounts data and we have invoice number, office, amount, due date, today and differences. What does that mean is we have this invoice number, let's say AG0145, which belongs to Oregon, and the amount for this is $5,000. Due date is 1st of April 2007 and today is 5th of May 2007. Okay, so now my criteria is that I want the total amount which belongs to Oregon only. Okay, so we can see that we have offices which are Oregon, California and Washington, and right now I want a total of Oregon only. So what I can do is, if I go with a simple sum, it will not solve my purpose, because either I have to filter the data and I have to separate the Oregon invoices, then I can add up them, but that's take a lot of time. So in place I can use SUMIF function. How we can use it? Equal to and then SUMIF. I can see over here SUMIF and SUMIFs. Right now we are only one condition, that is why we're gonna use SUMIF. So after pressing tab, Excel will open this bracket for me and we can see this syntax is given over here. Syntax says the first argument of the syntax is range, then criteria and then sum range. Okay, so as we want the total for Oregon, it means what is my range? Range is basically a criteria range. And what is the criteria range? A criteria range is where your criteria resides, which is Oregon. Okay, so we'll choose this office range because this is my criteria range. And now what is my second part is I just press comma and then criteria. Now what is my criteria? What I want is I want the sum of Oregon only. Right now I've selected the whole range that contains all the offices, but I want for Oregon. So what I'll do, I'll write Oregon in double quotes because it's a text, so I'm writing in double quotes Oregon. Okay, so I have fulfilled my criteria. Then the third argument, which is in square bracket, and what does this square bracket means is this argument is optional, but right now we want this argument because I have to put the sum range over here. In case if your sum range and the criteria range both are same, you need not to fill the sum range, that is why it is optional. But right now my criteria range, which is office, is different from the amount range, which is my sum range, so I am filling this sum range, which is C6 to C15. Okay, so right now just close the bracket and enter. See this, I have the total of Oregon only. That's it guys, thank you, thanks a lot. And you can also buy our DVD tutorial which is available on this particular website, and we are Microsoft authorized testing center. Goodbye.